How to buy Elon AI agent token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account as you can see and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap as you can see here. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. It's under this Elon network. Now after that, what you need to do, open your Phantom wallet here, and after that click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course, and click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will see how much you receive of that token. So this is it. Now select the provider page, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, click here and select the slippage or custom it, and after that go and buy this token. You will face no issue. So this is how to buy Elon AI agent token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.